Homemade ice cream with few ingredients. Pour the whipping cream into the blender cup. Mix the whipping cream until it thickens. We have a plate of fresh strawberries. Cut the strawberries in small cubes. Put the condensed milk in a large bowl and mix with whipped cream. Put the whipped cream into a large bowl. Add the strawberries to the bowl with whipped cream and condensed milk. Let's add some blueberries, a small amount of grapes. Mix the mixture at low speed for 10 minutes. Add your favorite fruits. Let's add apple cubes. We have one silicone cake pan. Let's add some sprinkles. Let's pour the resulting mixture in a sufficiently large bowl or any tray. Put this in the freezer for 3 hours. Let's have one egg yolk in a separate plate. Let's add 100 ml of milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Give it a good whisk. Let's cut off the bread crusts. Let's soak the bread into milk mixture. Fry the bread into the pan with melted butter till it browns on all sides nicely. From now on, you will make ice cream only at home. With an intense condensed milk taste and a delicate strawberry aroma, this ice cream will be appreciated especially on hot summer days, when you feel like treating yourself with a refreshing dessert. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes and turn on the notification bell so you will not miss any video.
Don't know if I can find my way out. I'm stuck in a prison of doubt.